This pasta bake made me so emotional. Ingredienti. Finger food is amazing and pasta bakes are the essence of life. Let's combine them. For the ultimate flavor, I'm making my favorite ragu meat sauce. The trick is to slow cook it, which makes it tender. These pasta shells are called conchiglioni. There's an interesting thing which happens when you use pasta shells. The winds of passion begin to blow, even in your home. Now it's time to fill them with your amazing sauce, just like this. Using fresh mozzarella will increase the winds of passion, so be careful. Olive oil and Parmigiano cheese will create an overwhelming statement of drama and passion, just like you are. 380 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, and now crown with a basil leaf to give the perfect result. Share with the people you love, because the ones you don't shouldn't be around. Just gorgeous.